Store number 2. We got more birds. Except there's no out of cage toys. You might just have to buy one and then just dangle it in front of Jimmy.
No, we can't do
Well, what do we do then? We might have to go to the cat toy section and just get like a ball with a bell in it. It's a basketball hoop.
that. That's still much being.
That's kind of funny though.
Also, it's just like, that's boring. It's just.
Half these look like baby toys. Like, this is like you put in their crib or something. Like, this is just like building blocks for a baby.
Yeah, they like chewing on them.
Yeah. I feel like you shouldn't encourage them to chew on stuff.
But it's good for their beak.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to the cat toy section. Just get something from there. We found some cat toys. We're just gonna get this. This looks interesting. I think Jimmy will like the alien egg.
No.
I don't think I like alien egg. I think we gotta get something that
You
makes
said
noise.
F-35B, right?
Yeah. Okay, this would be... We gotta try this.
I don't have infinite money.
I can buy this one. It's only $4. Okay. We should probably get like a ball with a bell in it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get cat toys. Two things that I'm looking at are is this bird for bird and then a laser. They probably can't see that. Oh, we got the balls with bells in them. He probably would not care much for this bird, but he's probably not gonna care much for any of these. So
what's the point in trying?
yeah, content. I think we just got these two. Oh, you put it back. Just get like a single one.
Oh.
Yeah, just get one of those singles.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna go check out and
Let's cross
bird.
the street.
For bird. More birds. Beautiful. Turn around real quick. More birds. More birds. Okay, let's continue on. Flash is off now. Jimmy, say hi.
You are not going behind my bed.
Must stay on the paper towel. Okay, let's get this out. The toy is ready. Zoom out real quick. It's hard to do this one-handed. The toy is ready. Alright, Jimmy. Hey, let him play with the ball first, actually. Bird on my shoulder.
There's a bird on my shoulder. And
There's no longer a bird on my shoulder. Bird is on his shoulder now. Gotta come get
Dude,
it.
this is a very picky bird. I don't think. You really think that? Oh, it's a tail feather. He didn't just poop on me.
Come on, Jimmy. Maybe he doesn't like the get it. He's facing in your hair right now.
Okay, then he's preening me. Okay, that's great. Yeah.
There's another bird on your shoulder.
You really think that?
He's so mad you took your hair away. Jimmy, come get it. What if we put on the ceiling fan?
Don't.
And then it flies around. Jimmy, you're not good at this content thing. It's almost like he has no concept of the internet.
He's only been here for a couple days.
I accidentally hit the ceiling fan? Really think that, Jimmy?
You really feel that way?
Maybe we need to give him an audio prompt.
No, do not give him an audio prompt.
Jimmy screams if you play bird noises. He's looking at it. This is anticlimactic.
So you guys like my Great Dane? Oh, you're not recording.
No, I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
Feather just fell off.
Yeah. He does that.
Do something interesting. I know you're like a bird and this is like as big as you, but like fight it. He's losing his grip.
Do you really feel that way?
Make him scream for the content.
No, it's not happening.
Okay, let's
If
try
he
the
is poop.
try the ball again. Did he? I don't know. Oh, he's interested by that.
Yeah, he did.
Come here. He's looking at it. He's interested.
You really feel that way?
Put him on the floor. Maybe we'll chase it or something. Jim, you want to get on the floor?
You want to just step onto my bed?
Yep.
Yes. Okay,
Go over here.
gotta wipe this poop off of my shirt.
Jimmy. I think he's running away from it. Yeah, he's definitely running away from it. Should probably back it up a bit from him. I don't think he likes that one. Jimmy, come on the floor so we can roll this around. Well, come down here. Well, come down here. He's down here. My flash on? No, my flash is not on. It just looked bright. Don't like it?
This content is crazy.
Best content ever. I'm gonna cut like most of this out.
I'm just gonna. I scored a goal on you, Jimmy. How does that feel?
Jimmy is not.
He is not a good
He's not.
goalkeeper.
He's not intrigued by this.
He's
stuff.
not a good goalkeeper.
Jimmy, it makes noise. You like that? That was a bit aggressive. He did something.
He's doing something.
Oh, he
Yippee.
likes it now.
Yippee.
He likes it now. He's got his foot on it. Can't really see it.
That stare, though.
Yeah. This is really boring. It's almost like it's a bird with a cat toy. Where are you going, bud?
Bro is thinking.
I'll back up a bit. Maybe we're stressing it out.
He just pooped.
Okay, well, you like the one toy for like a couple seconds. Just get a toy.
He's walking on his poop. Oh my god.
You just like the UFO part, maybe?
Jimmy.
He's climbing on stuff. Yeah, this might just be a video of bird footage.
I don't know where he pooped. It did not clip out of reality. Jimmy, step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Thank you.
Gotta teach him to step up.
Hey, buddy.
It's the alien. Maybe my dog will like it. This is an alien video now.
There's poop on my hand.
Yeah, it's a bird. They do that. Ooh, I wonder if we put some of his food in that ball.
It's gonna come out. Kind of really easily.
Put a bigger piece in there.
Okay, step up. Step up. Step up.
It's not gonna step up very easily.
Step up. Step up. Step up. I'm actually about to lift you off the ground. Yay, he stepped up. Can you stay on my finger? That's
probably too far for him. It's gonna be awful to edit
feel
through.
that way?
This is nothing. Sorry, I'm looking in real life, not at the camera. There's so many feathers on the ground.
They do that. Can you do something interesting for me?
Oh, sorry.
That
Sorry, Jimmy.
macaw question mark?
Title the
You feel that
video
way?
Silent Bird Footage.
Besides the occasional wah.
Yeah. Can I exit out of the camera app? I'll still record. Just plop him down or just hold him up to the mirror because the mirror doesn't go to the ground.
I'm just like, who's that handsome fella?
Oh, he's intrigued. He is intrigued. I don't know a lot about birds. Is he mad? Is he mad or is this a mating thing? I really don't know.
You can tell by the fact that he puffed up that he's mad.
Oh, we should probably take him away from it then.
Okay, we're just gonna...
Editing part of this video because we're giving Jimmy a little break, and I found this thing. I wonder what he'll do with it. Hello, Jimmy. I think he was just preening. I think he's done though. Jimmy, what's this thing? Hold up. Step up.
You kind of have to push him. 'Cause
Step
he's
up.
not smart enough to understand step up.
Yeah, but I mean, my other hand is holding the camera. Thank you. Step up. Come here. Good, Jimmy. All right, there you go. Come here. Step down. There you go. All right, Jimmy. Are you more interested in the cardboard than the toy that was on the cardboard? Oh, he does not like it. Just put it down. Just put it down in one spot. Jimmy, no like that for like a quick second. I wasn't recording, so that sucks. I'm not gonna be able to hold him that well like that. I think you might have to hold the tech deck. Oops, I got my finger in the camera. Oh, did a whatever that's called. I tried skateboarding for like a week. Okay, he's not having it. Well, might be the video, guys. But don't worry, we got a crawler video coming out soon, probably. Something coming out soon. Just wanted to let you know I'm back.
After 3 months.
Yeah.
And an El Loco video.
Alright, sorry for the long video. But maybe we'll try the toys again in a month when he's more known with this place. Alright, see you.